Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed before symptoms even arise. Imagine cities that manage energy consumption with unparalleled efficiency, where traffic flows seamlessly, guided by an invisible hand. This is not science fiction, it is the promise of artificial intelligence, a future rapidly unfolding before our very eyes. AI's learning pace is astounding, surpassing human capabilities in specific domains at an unprecedented rate. We've witnessed AI mastering complex games like Go and chess, surpassing human grandmasters. This is just a glimpse into AI's potential, a sign of the transformations to come. The speed of AI development is unlike anything we've seen before. It's not just about faster computers, it's about algorithms that learn and adapt, constantly improving themselves. This exponential progress makes the future of AI both exhilarating and daunting. The world stands at the cusp of a new era, one where AI will reshape industries, redefine work, and challenge our very understanding of intelligence. It is a future full of promise and peril, one that demands our attention and careful consideration. From the hushed laboratories and bustling research centers, a chorus of voices rises, united in their awe and apprehension. AI researchers, the architects of this new age, share first-hand accounts of AI's breathtaking progress. "We are seeing things in the lab that we never thought possible," says one prominent AI researcher, her voice tinged with both excitement and a hint of trepidation. The speed at which these systems are learning is remarkable. Another researcher, a pioneer in the field, echoes this sentiment. The potential benefits of AI are immense, but so are the risks. We need to proceed with caution and foresight. These whispers from the front lines serve as a stark reminder of the profound power we are unleashing. The future of AI is not some distant abstraction. It's being shaped right now by the minds that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their insights are a call to action, a plea for thoughtful engagement as we navigate this uncharted territory. The decisions we make today will determine the course of AI's development and its impact on humanity for generations to come. To grasp the magnitude of AI's rise, we must look back at the annals of history, tracing the trajectory of technological advancements. From the printing press to the internet, each innovation has disrupted the status quo, reshaping societies and propelling humanity forward. However, the pace of AI's development dwarfs all previous technological revolutions. The printing press took centuries to spread its influence, the internet, mere decades. AI, in contrast, is evolving at an exponential rate, its capabilities doubling, even tripling in a matter of months. This unprecedented speed leaves us grappling with profound questions about the nature of work, the role of education, and the very essence of being human. It is a testament to our ingenuity, but also a stark reminder of our responsibility to guide this powerful force wisely. The lessons of history teach us that progress is inexorable. We cannot simply turn back the clock or halt the advance of technology. Instead, we must learn from the past, anticipating challenges and harnessing AI's potential for the betterment of humanity. Section 4. The Unstoppable Tide. Why halting AI is futile. Some voices shrouded in fear advocate for halting AI's progress. But holding back technological advancement is like commanding the sun to stand still. The genie of artificial intelligence is already out of the bottle. To wish it away ignores human curiosity and our drive to innovate. The potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. Imagine a world without disease, where poverty and hunger are eradicated, where climate change is reversed. These are within the realm of possibility with AI as our ally. To halt AI research would deny us these possibilities, condemning future generations to unsolved problems. It would be an act of collective self-sabotage, a betrayal of human progress. We must embrace the challenge, harnessing AI's power while mitigating its risks. It is a delicate balancing act, demanding collaboration, foresight, and ethical commitment. Section 5. The human impetus, our unquenchable thirst for progress. The relentless pursuit of knowledge, the insatiable curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown. These are the hallmarks of our species. Humanity has always been driven by an unquenchable thirst for progress. AI is not merely a technological advancement, it is the culmination of this age-old quest, the embodiment of our desire to understand the world and ourselves, urging us to push the boundaries of what's possible, to turn our backs on the very forces that have propelled us from the savannas to the stars. It is the inevitable consequence of our collective human journey and our unwavering belief in a brighter future. We must remember that the future of AI is not predetermined, a future that will be defined by the choices we make today.